from my side that you are going to love the session. Only thing is, make sure that you attend this particular event till the end. Poortiyagi keli, so that you are going to, might be, who knows, might be at the end of the event you might get goosebumps. Who are attending for the first or second time, you might get it. I don't know. Okay, so the content what I have prepared, you are going to love it. So without wasting, please give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Yes, please give me thumbs up if you're ready, every single person out there. And anyone is missing from your organization, ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂಚೆನೆ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಡಿ. This is a time you have 1 to 2 minutes. Call them up right away. I'm going to start the session right now. Superb. Thank you so much. Just give me a second. Yes, superb. Yeah, without wasting any sort of time, Akashi, can you please give me a permission to screen share? Yes. Yes, thank you. Yes, so the session itself is something very exciting, right? The topic of today's event is dreams, right? Most of the people are very, very interested in this particular topic. Why? Because sir, na join other tidikene to complete my dreams. I have joined for that sake. I've joined this particular organization for that particular sake itself. Yes, just give me a second, guys. There are a lot of artists here. Yes, just give me a second. Is there a tab, anything you are able to see? Sir, is there any tab you are able to see? No, you are able to see anything down? Nothing. Okay, superb. Thank you. Yes. So yes, the session itself, the dreams, for the many people have joined this particular organization, or they have joined Vestige so that they can complete some or the other dreams. Yes or no? Right? A very interesting topic, right? From beginning of our birth itself, we started seeing some of the dreams. Yes or no? Right? Some or the other dreams. When you were might be around 5 years old, you used to see some of the dreams. When you were 10 years old, you used to see some other dreams, right? When you are right now 15 or 20, you are seeing some other types of dreams, right? Whole life you have been seeing some or the other dreams. What are the dreams you used to see? What are the basic part, right? Basic things what you used to see. Just give me a second there. Yes, just give me a second. Yes, so what are the dreams you guys used to see? What are those dreams? Might be having a good luxury car for yourself, yes or no, right? Might be having a bike for yourself, good luxury bike, having a good luxury car. What else you used to see, right? Having lots and lots of money, right? These are the dreams what we see. Let me travel the whole world. I like traveling. How many are there who wants to travel world? How many are there? Raise your hand. How many are there who like traveling? Yes, you can put it. Superb. Many people I am seeing, I guess around 90 to 95% of the people in this event are youth itself, right? I guess like me, most of the people are having a crazy dream of traveling world, right? Many people are having amazing thing, right? So even I'm having. So like you people see and also see about the financial freedom. ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ financial freedom ಬೇಕು sir, early retirement ಆಗಬೇಕು, right? Good health ಬೇಕು. All these sort of thing you are able to see. You see it, right? Dreams, it's free to see, right? It doesn't cost much. It's free to see, right? But the thing is, we see these kinds of dreams, but what is the mentality we are carrying? What the mentality what we are carrying? What is the mentality? We compare ourselves to our surrounding people. Yes or no? We compare ourselves to the surrounding people, right? Sir, Nanu, what I'll tell you a small story of mine. Okay, what happened is, usually ನಾನು ಚಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಾಗ ನಾನು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಚಿಕ್ಕಿರುವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ನೋ ಇಟ್. ನೋಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅದ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಶ್ ಬೈಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಅದ್ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿತ್ತು, ರೈಟ್? ದೇರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಸಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? Which we have never seen at all, which is unimaginable, which used to come in that notebook. And guess what? In that school time, I used to see that dreams and I thought that I'm going to have it in my life. I'm going to have it in my life. This thing I need it. in my life, but I didn't know because I was in 4th or 3rd standard. That's it. 4th or 3rd standard. That's it. I didn't know how is the situation outside. As I grew up, I came to know, Arey bro, no one is in my family having this kind of thing, what I'm having. No one have achieved this kind of car which I'm seeing in this notebook. No one in my society have done it. Leave about society, in my particular district, if anyone have done, that is something great. Or state also, very, very few people are doing it. I thought that see and I do it. Okay, we compare ourselves most of the time. We compare ourselves. I'm talking about my early days. Okay, when I was very young, we see a dream, but we compare ourselves to our surrounding. Right? We have a small, low belief system. Belief irudilla namatra. Right? Nan madlik agtada. Can I do it? Dream. Can I do it? Because we see the environment. No one is doing. Can I do it? Right? What people will say, sir? This statement is the what to say, very, very dangerous statement. I can tell. Okay, what people will say. Guess what? 99% of the dreams die because of this particular problem statement. Small statement called as log kya kahenge. What a statement, right? What a statement. Log kya kahenge. Because of this particular statement, most of the people tell that I don't think so, it is for me. What people will say, I guess you hear from your house itself, might be your relatives telling, uncle pakkad ಮನೆಯವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂಕಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಂಟಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸರ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವ ನಾವು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಬದುಕಿದ್ದೇವ ನಾವು. ಇವನ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಎಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. 99% of the dream, right? The statement, trust me, this statement has killed more dreams than anything else in the world. Trust me, it has killed more number of dreams than anything else in the world, right? So your dream will be just a dream and not the reality. Most of the people think, yeah, this is the mentality what we get from the environment, right? This is the mentality what we get from the environment. And simple thing ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ, usually ನಮ್ದು surrounding ಅಲ್ಲಿ, okay, ನಮ್ದು surrounding ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೇವೆ, might be our neighbor, one of our neighbor is earning around 20,000 rupees on a monthly basis. 20,000 ದುಡಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Okay, one more neighbor is earning around 50,000 rupees on a monthly basis. One more neighbor or might be relative is earning around 1 lakh rupees on a monthly basis. ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ನಮ್ದು ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್. ನಮ್ದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 50,000 ರೀಚ್ ಆಗುವ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ ನಂಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಂದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್, ನಂದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಆದದ್ದು. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಇಸ್. ಸರ್ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಡ್ರೀಮ್. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾನೋ ಓಡಿಸುವ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕಾರ್ ಓಡಿಸುವ ಅದು ಸಹ ಒಂದು 10, 20, 40 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸರ್, ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಟ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 40. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದು ಸೇಮ್ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಎನ್ಸಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಸೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎನ್ಸಿ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ neighbor, one of your neighbor, imagine that person is earning nearly 10 lakh rupees on a monthly basis. One more neighbor is earning, one more neighbor is an entrepreneur. Imagine that person is earning around 50 lakh rupees on a monthly basis. Monthly basis I'm talking. Imagine one more neighbor is there who is might be a crorepati. He is earning might be around 1 crore or 2 crore rupees on a monthly basis. Now what will be your mindset? It is there in your family or your surrounding, your environment. What will be your mindset? Will you fight for 20,000 job? Will you fight for 50,000 job? No. This is what the surrounding is. This is the mentality what we have, most of the people, right? So this is very important to change, guys. Trust me, this is very, very important to change, right? So some people also have a false belief system, thinking that we get more problems by being rich, right? ನಂಗೆ ಕನಸು ಉಂಟು ಸರ್, ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಉಂಟು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಸೆ ಉಂಟು ನಮ್ಗೆ, right? But the thing is, we think that more money is going to get more problems is going to get if I'm going to get becoming rich, right? These are the statements what we are having. Why? Because why this particular statement? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮೆಂಟಾಲಿಟಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಈಗ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 10 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಓಕೆ, 10 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅದ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಅವ್ರ 8 to 10 years ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು, villain, when villain's entry will there will be a posh car coming, nice gold chain, ಒಳ್ಳೆ gold chain ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, right? Bracelet, chain, ಒಳ್ಳೆ posh people, and that person is bad, right? And that person is bad, right? Posh ಗಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮನೆ ಉಂಟು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಂಗಾರ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟು, right? But that person is bad. And ಹೀರೋದ ಹಾಲತ್ ಎಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ? What will be the situation of a hero in the film? What will be the situation? ಬಡವ ಸರ್, ಎಂತ ನೀರು ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹಣ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇವನ ಹತ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. This will be the situation. This is how our film industry has shown us the picture that hero is always poor and the bad people are always rich, and we somewhere through this environment, through this I guess psychology, what we say, right? We bad people only. Kanas kanteve pura isudilla because of all these sort of things. Mentality what we have, trust me sir, because of this thing many people are not able to do it. Everyone is dreaming, but many people are not able to do it. Some people after some time, no, when you grew up like me, okay, when I grew up, when I saw the environment, because I'm saying this is the mentality I'm having. So what I'm trying to tell you is dreams, seeing a dream is very, very important. So why dream is required? Let us understand why dreams. Why dreams? I hope you are going to correct it, your mentality in the last slide itself, right? So why dreams are important? You can see Maslow's triangle ante helteve. We are calling it as a Maslow's triangle. What is this triangle is telling? This triangle is telling it is a earning of life. ಈ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು, earning of life ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು. ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ನೋಡಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಟಗರಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟೀಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟೀಸ್ 95% ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಗಲ್ ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 40 to 50. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಇದೇ ರ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, right? Needs and necessities ನೋಡುವ 95% of the people struggle. Then comes the security. Very few people, hardly 10% of the people do it, and very less number of people are able to complete their dreams in life. Okay, Sarji, I'll tell you simple thing. The ultimate goal should be completing your dreams. It's very, very important, sir. It's very, very important what you're seeing in your screen. Mark my words, this triangle is very, very important. Most of the people didn't get this triangle in the initial journey, right? You are seeing it right now. Very good. Congratulations. Understand this, what I'm trying to tell you, what this triangle is trying to tell you, right? So completing our dream is very, very important. Very few people in this world has a courage to complete it, right? And the purpose of being born in this world is not just living, sir. Yes or no? It's not about just leaving 9 to 5 job, just leaving. ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್, ಹೇಗೋ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ. It's not about that. You want to live a life we want to choose to, that is freedom. You want to live a life of freedom, right? Then understand this particular triangle. Then living your dreams is very, very important, right? Yes, moving on. So let us see why again dreams are important. Why again dreams are important? So dreams are the driving force of success. Join other ದೊಡ್ಡದು ವಿಷಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. How many people have taken a dream that this purpose ಗೆ ನಾನು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದೆ? It is good as a driving force. Driving force ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ, ಅಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ. It should be driving force for you. It should be like what to say, it should make you understand that ಸರಿ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. I need it by hook or crook. I need it badly. ಇದು ಡ್ರೈವಿಂಗ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಜರ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ತರ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಹೇಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗಾಡಿ ಫ್ಯೂಯಲ್ ಹಾಕದೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಓಡುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ವೇ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್, ರೈಟ್? ಒನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ರೀಚ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್, ರೈಟ್? Dream and the dream is a basic essential of network marketing which pushes you to work hard and live the life you choose to, right? Network marketing journey alli dream is the essential part. Every single upline who is going to train you ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ, what is your dream, what you want to do in your life. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗಾದ್ರೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್, ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್, ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಯು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್, right? So no, it is the basic essential in network marketing industry in order to move forward, right? So I can just tell you that a heart without a dream feather. Seeing a dream is very very important here, right? A heart without a dream is like a bird without a feather, right? So they give meaning and fulfillment to life. Why I am telling you all these sort of thing, yakandre ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ಫಿಲ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ that you have done something great. People will remind you if you are going to complete it, if you are going to take it, and if you are going to complete it. Moving on, I'll tell you why, one of the story. Okay, so why dreams are important. Okay, a person idare, obba one normal random person. Okay, he was traveling in a road ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂತು. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಒಬ್ಬ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಇದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕಲಿ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿ, ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಸರ್ where does this road take me? Okay, ask one more question, where you want to go, where you want to go, old man asked, right? And this person replied, I don't know. Old man told, then take any road, sir. Does it matter to you? You don't know where to go, take any road. This is how your dream is going to act to you, right? This is how your dream is going to act to you, right? So what happens if we take out our goal post? I'm just giving you an example. Just think that if you're not having a dream, what happens if you take out the goal post and the line while hitting the goal? What happens, sir? Enaಗ್ತದೆ? This is like with the dream. Okay, this is like without dream. Sir, ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, you have completed your studies, you got a job, you are working, where you are going, what is your purpose of life, people doesn't know. It is like hitting a goal post without no goal, without no line or no goal post. You are hitting somewhere, you don't know. Do you understand whether you have tried at least in life? No. You can understand in this particular picture, you with the dreams and you without dreams, right? You without dreams ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುದು ಹೇಗೆ? That is why you have to carry a goal post. In the sense I am telling you, you have to carry a dream in your life. That goal post or the line, it is going to act as a dream in your life, right? So carrying a dream is very very important. So ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೋಗ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ವೇರ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ದೇ ಡಸಂಟ್ ನೋ. At the end of their life, their journey will be something like this. Arey sir, what to do, where I am there, what I am doing? Just a funny part, right? Yes, moving on. So one more question I'm going to ask you. Will you board a train or a bus without knowing where to go? Will you board? How many will board? Sir, ನಾನು ಬಸ್ ಹಿಡಿತೇನೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ, right? Will you board? Answer will be of course no, right? Then why do people go through life without having any sort of dream? Why do people go through life without having any sort of dream? Taking a dream is very very important, sir, right now. If you want to become successful in this particular platform, only the system, only the business plan, only the trainings of your upline, calling your upline, only doing the activity, it doesn't matter. You are doing for some purpose. Take it today itself. Write down your dreams, very very important, right? All the top achievers had goals in their life. Ask story of any single person. You ask a life story of any single person. You Virat Kohli hogi, Ronaldo hatra keli, you talk a story of might be Les Brown, you talk about Michael Jordan, right? Ask any single person who are done something great in their life. They had purpose or they had the goals in their life. They tell you the importance of having a goal in life, right? In the initial days nange ee ondu picture sikto, right? What I am telling you right now is, if you don't build See, beautiful the statement is. If you don't build your dream, someone else will hire you to help them build theirs. ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟರ್ ಉಂಟಲ್ಲ, ನಂಗೆ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಜರ್ನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಂಗೆ that sir, I have to work on my dreams. I don't know how many people are seeing this particular quote for the first time, but this is a time. If you don't work for your dream, sir, you have to work for someone else's dream. Simple as that. Job ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? They are working for their boss dream, right? Yes or no? Reliance company ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? There are more than 5 lakh plus employees. ಏನ್ 5 lakh ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಅಂಬಾನಿಯನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes or no? Dhirubhai Ambani have told a very good sort of statement, right? That is why you have to work, start building your dream. That is why you have to start working on your dreams, right? Yes, moving on. So how to sir nange artha aito, dreams tagolbeku, tagonde sir. Now how to achieve it? Now what are the chances are there? What is the next procedure, sir? Okay, nan nodtene. Okay, innond things heltene. There is a person, Washington Irving, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, great minds have purpose, others have wishes anta. How many have understood that? Great minds have purpose, others have wishes anta. ಕೆಲವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, right? I wish sir I had a good house. I wish sir I have a big swimming pool in my house so that every single morning I dip into it. I wish sir that has to happen. I wish sir I should have a beautiful girlfriend. And many people wish, right? This is wishes are yours. This is your wish, right? And wishes are very very weak. There is a difference between goals and wishes. Goals anta yaake helide nanu heltene munde. Okay, there is a difference between wishing and having a good goal. Wishing is very very weak. ನೀವು ವಿಶ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಗಾಡಿಗೆ, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಗಾಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಸುಮಾರು ದೇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಸುಮಾರು ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ ಅದು ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾತ್. ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The job what I am doing, the business what I am doing, the thing, the path in which I am going, will it take me to complete that dream? Ask yourself a question. If it is not, you are just wishing, sir, with God. Nothing else is going to happen. Nothing else is going to happen, right? So wishes are very very weak, right? Goals are nothing but dreams are that is supported by some things. What are goals then? Goals are nothing but it is a dream that are supported by direction, dedication, determination, discipline, deadlines. Sir nange I want to have that particular girl in my life. Dedication, sir, discipline, just an example kotedu, just for fun. Okay, don't take it. Concentrate on your dream, man, which is very important. Okay, just a thing I'm talking about. So what is your dream? You need these 5 things. So when that wish can be your goal, when you are supported by all these 5 of the factors which is going to influence it to complete it, right? Yes. So moving on, let me tell you a small story. Okay, there was a survey conducted on Harvard University in 1963. Listen carefully. Okay, guys, lot of surprises are there. Lot of things you are able to understand in few minutes. Have some patience. Okay, it will be a very beautiful, many thrilling things are going to come. Yes. So a survey was conducted on Harvard University. Okay, ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು Harvard University 1963 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Okay, some of the scientists what they have conducted in final year graduating students ಅಲ್ಲಿ, they have conducted a small survey. What is that survey? Is they had asked final year student that how many people have a dream in their life. They have asked the student, class of students, 1963 batch. How many people have a dream? How many people have written it down? How many people have a plan for their lifetime? How many people have their goal for their whole life? They have asked that. In that survey, they came to know that only 3% of the people, only 3% of the people had written down the goals. Shocking news, sir. Only 3% of the people in the class has written down the actual goal, what they want to do in their life. Okay. And this survey was not a small survey. This survey was for around 20 long years. After 20 years, this scientist again made a survey on those students only when they that 1963 batch of Harvard University. Okay, that 1963 batch of Harvard University, they have made same research. They saw their lifestyle of all those people, the survey where they have conducted. They have come to know that this 3% people, right? This 3% people who have written down their goals, they had become more successful compared to that 97% of their class. This 3% of the people were earning 10 times better than that 97% of their class. Power of writing their dreams. This is what Harvard University, this is what we learn from the Harvard University, right? The survey conducted on Harvard University, right? So it's not about the passion and not the wishing that turns dream into reality. So what does that? It's the passion that turns the dreams into reality. Yes or no? So what are the steps to turn dreams into reality? Simple, sir. First of all, have a definite, clear written goal. Have a definite, clear written goal. Mark my words. If you want, write it down, sir, in a pen and a diary. Write it down. Second thing, have a plan to accomplish and write it down. First thing is what? Have a definite, clear written goal. Second is have a plan to accomplish and write it down. What are the third steps are then? Simple. Read it every single day. Read the first 2 lines every single day. That is what is the simple 3 steps. Right? How many are doing it? Great, it can work for you. Like how it had happened in Harvard University. Right? People who have written it down were more successful 20 years later compared to 97% of the people in their class. Right? It can be you also. Trust me, it can you also. Right? Moving on. So why I'm telling you to write it down, why I'm telling you to do all these sort of things. Okay. So if I ask you, when do you buy a ticket, what does it say? When you are buying a ticket, yavaga train the ticket tagoltiri, ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು train ticket ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ನಿಮಗೆ? What does it say? Right? Does it say about starting point? Yes, superb. Does it say about destination, ending point? Good. Does it say about class of travel? Yav class, sleeper class, AC class, 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tier, ಅಥವಾ general ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Ticket mentions everything. Yes or no? Price of the ticket is written, starting date is written, expiry date is written. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಿತದ ಇಲ್ವಾ? Train ಅಲ್ಲಿ train ticket ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ, don't you think that you are able to witness all these sort of things? Yes or no? Then always when you're writing your dreams, it must be smart. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. Okay, it should be smart dreams. So when you are buying a ticket, it mentions every single thing. Same way when you are writing, sir, ಒಂದು ಗಂಟೆ ಜರ್ನಿ, 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಥವಾ 10 ಗಂಟೆ ಜರ್ನಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ your journey is very long, sir. In Vestige, your journey is very, very long. So it should be a dreams. What you are going to write, it should be smart. ಏನ್ ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸರ್? ಚಂದ ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಕಲರ್ಫುಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್? ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆನ್ಸ್, ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸರ್, ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡೌನ್. ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. ಸರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅ ವಾಚ್. ಯಾವ ವಾಚ್ ಸರ್? ಬಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯೋ ವಾಚ್. ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಅ ವಾಚ್. Which watch? Be specific. I want to purchase a Casio watch. Superb. Good. Next thing is measurable. M stands for measurable. Measurable andre ಏನು? Sir, I want to purchase Casio watch worth ₹5,000. Measurable. Rate ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು. Amazon ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರು ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಉಂಟು, which dream you want to complete in some point of time. Rate ನೋಡಿ ಅದು. That is how you are measuring, right? Your goal, right? Then next thing is achievable. It should be achievable. Don't write a dream, sir, I want to take Mercedes Benz in coming 3 months. Is it an achievable dream? Is it an achievable dream? No, right? So make sure that the target what you take, it should be a right one. Okay, it should be achievable dream. Okay, next thing is realistic. Sir, ಎಂತೆಂತ realistic dream ಬರೀರಿ ಸರ್. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಭೂಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ, ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು, ರೈಟ್? ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ನಾಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ನಾನ್ಸೆನ್ಸ್. ಅನ್ರಿಯಲಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್? ಟೈಮ್ ಇಡಿ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯೋ ವಾಚ್ ವರ್ತ್ ₹5,000. It is a realistic dream. It is an achievable dream, and I want to do it. I want to do it, this particular dream, in coming I'm a newly joined associate, sir. I'm a newly joined associate. I want to do it by coming 5 months down the line. 5,000 ದುಡಿಬೇಕು. You can do it in 1 month also based on the work what you do. But I don't think so. You are going to put all the money in one particular dream itself. Some realistic dream, right? Or coming 4 months down the line, write a date there. Date, year, month, every single thing. Write it down. This is called as smart. So ticket buy ಮಾಡುವಾಗ, train ticket buy ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಹೇಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, same dreams ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ every single thing should be there. It should be very, very smart, right? This is what I'm trying to tell you. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. Understand this statement very beautifully, it is. A dream written down with a date becomes a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan backed up by actions makes your dreams come true. So beautiful it is, right? So Harvard University, what it was told, it is right? If you are going to write it down, if you are going to make it as a plan properly, right? If you are going to start working on it, bookal matra alla sir, start working on it, then your dreams are able to come true, right? Now let me tell you about how to write a dreams. There are 3 types of dreams, sir. Sumar jana dreams adu artha agudilla. Vida types of dreams irtade. 3 types of dream. Enappa idu 3 types of dreams? Let me tell you about it. First one is short term dream. What do you mean by short term dreams? Dreams that can be completed within 1 year. It is called a short term dream. Simple. 6 months or 1 year unta short term dreams karitare. Mid term andre dreams that can be completed within 3 years. It is called as mid term dreams. Within 3 years, right? Long term andre the dreams which can be completed in 5 or more years. 5 or more years ಯಾವುದು complete ಆಗ್ತದೆ, it is called as long term dreams, right? Now I'll show you now how this thing has to be written properly. Okay, short term, mid term, long term, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ? Superb. Now how we have to write it down? We have to add some of spark to our dreams. Spark sir ಎಂತ ಲೈಟರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಹಾಕು ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕ್, ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಇದು, ಬೆಂಕಿ ಹಚ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? what do you mean by spark to your dreams? Sir, spark in the sense, speak them often, pocket cards, announce in every program, read them daily, keep them around. This is called a spark. Every time meet matadi, speak them often. To yourself, might be you're talking in front of your mirror. Talk to yourself. I'm going to complete this particular dream. Very, very powerful, sir. I've learned with one of our senior uplines. And guess what? That upline is right now in 1 crore paycheck by doing this particular statement. Speak them often. He used to talk about his dream again and again for himself. He is in 1 crore paycheck. I'm talking about Siddharth Singh, sir. Right? Crazy, right? Right? People who are doing great, they are crazy only. Yes. Pocket cards, birthday idkolli ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. Announce in every particular program. Announce ಮಾಡಿ. You talk to your might be your team. You talk to your uplines. You talk them up in your meetings. Follow-ups ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ದು ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ. Announce in every single program, right? Read them daily and keep them around. I'm talking about birthday trip ಬಿಸಾಕ್ಬೇಡಿ. It should be around you. Or ಅಥವಾ wall poster ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು. If you're displaying in front of you where you are sitting every day, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಉಂಟು. There is something called as dream board. Okay, where you are going to display it. How beautiful it will be. It is going to remind you to achieve it. Okay, ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸರ್? Sir, environment will do that work. Okay, what I'm trying to tell you, idu madodrinda there will be changes what you are able to see in yourself. There will be changes what you are able to see in yourself. There will be environment thing which will be doing by itself, right? Moving on, I hope you have understood what you mean by spark, right? Yes. Moving on, let me talk about few of the people. Okay, I hope you know in a VDT, in a victory dream team, our dreams adu already, how many people have installed the app, how many people are using it, how many people have written the dreams, right? 2-3 days back now ಕೆಲವರ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ that we are going to display some of the top dreams, okay, who have written very beautifully, okay, who have actually want to complete it. And I'm going to display 3 people, okay, who have actually written their dreams, okay, who have actually badly wants to complete it, right? First person is Rohit ji. You can see what are the dreams Rohit ji is having. right? You are able to see what is the dreams Rohit ji is having. You can see gift to my brother, right? I'm just going to unmute. I'm just going to unmute Rohit ji in some time. Just give me a second. Yes, I hope Rohit ji is available. I hope till now the session is going good to you guys. Yes, Rohit ji. Guys, whoever I'm going to unmute, make sure that you keep your video on. Yes, Rohit ji, over to you.
Yes, sir.
The
Good
dream
morning,
squad, I'm going
sir.
to show you your dreams. Just give me a second. Let them see your dreams also. Yes, I hope you are. Yeah. Yes, Rohit ji.
Yes, sir.
You,
Yes, sir. First of all, thank you so much for giving an opportunity for me. Right. Yes, sir. First of all, I really thank to my uplines because they made to think about my dreams. So when I joined this industry, I was like, yeah, in the beginning, uplines are telling like, write down your dreams, write down your dreams. Yes, initial stage, I was like, what they are telling, these dreams are not going to work like that. I was thinking, but when I got to know is when I achieved my first dream. Okay, when I achieved my first dream, that was my gifting myself a bike. I gifted myself a bike in last November. Okay, that was on my birthday. I really thankful for my apply, Mr. Sudhirji, because he made me to complete the dreams. Because whenever I spoke to him, whenever I called him, okay, he is only remembering me. Rohit, you are going to buy a bike. You are going to buy a bike. You are going to buy a bike. That only made me to achieve that dream. And still, sir, yes, these are the dreams which I created for myself, and I'm sure, sir, without any fail, I'm going to complete at any cost, because
definitely,
this industry made me to think about my dreams and the confidence that was given to me so that I can achieve that dreams. And to be
definitely. Yes, Rohit ji. Definitely, you are
the
going to
it might
complete
be
your dream.
luxurious car, yes, sir. Okay, so
Yes,
all
yes,
those
yes.
dreams, I was never thought about it. When I came into it, I achieved it. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the option. Yeah.
Yes, thanks a lot for your review. That is the work Upline does. See what Upline have done. Sudhir sir had told him, reminded him, sir, this is what the dream. And that is how his dream had come into reality, right? That is what the power of seeing a dream, writing it down with the date. You are able to see how many days left. You are able to see in your screen how many days left. This is the next dream what you had taken, right? Moving on, moving on. Next person whom I want to invite, that is Elvin Fernandez, right? One of a person who is doing job right now in Mangalore in one of the bank. So let us listen. What is his dream? Yes. So Elvin ji, I hope you are there. Yes, if you are able to unmute yourself and also unmute your yeah, open your video. Yes, superb. Yes, over to you, Elvin ji. You just have 1 minute. Make it
Okay.
quick.
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. I'm working in a private sector bank, but thing is, first of all, I want to quit the job because it's having so much pressures. Then I am like
Exactly.
kind of a
You have written there. You have
daydreamer.
written there. Just interrupting. You have
Yes.
written there. Quit a job and be my own boss. 18 September 2021.
Yeah,
Sir,
because I'm
certainly.
going to
Yes. Exactly.
I'm
That
going
you
to
need guts,
complete
sir,
1
to
year.
do it. You
I'm
need
going to
guts to do
complete
it.
1 year. Yeah, so I don't want to confirm there. So I want to quit that because so much pressure we are having. Then I'm kind of a person like a daydreamer. I used to think like I should have that. I want that. I want that. So we need something extra. So I am doing a vestige, and I want to. I want to achieve my dreams so badly. Thank
Definitely,
you, sir.
definitely, buddy. We are all going to help you out, right? So all the things is it's not about just writing down the teams. It's also about working hard for it, right? People who are talking, sir, I'm having a dream. I want to do. My dream is doing a job, right? Ask from Elvin G that how doing a job is how it's frustrating for him, right? It's been, I guess, around 1 or 2 years since he's into a job, right? And he wants to quit it and he wants to do full-time vestige. Why? Because here he's able to see some potential. He's able to see lead that kind of lifestyle which he wants to lead, right? Thank you so much, Elvin ji, for sharing your
Thank you, sir.
experience. Moving on, the next personality. I'm thrilled to see this particular person's dream, right? We are all amazed. You can see Bharitesh ji. I hope Bharitesh ji is there in the session. Yes, Bharitesh ji. Yes. Over to you, Bharitesh ji. I hope you are. Yes, Bharitesh ji. Guys, first of all, Bharateshji, I would like to tell you that we all the core leaders, when we have seen your dream, we felt amazed that okay, this kind of dream person is having. This is a great dream, right? What we have picked, one of the good one. Okay, yes, Bharateshji, you over to you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ನಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
Yes.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸರ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಜಾಬಿಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 23 ಇಯರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕ್ರೇಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಜಾಬ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಾಯ್ಬೇಕು, ಜಾಬ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೂ ನಾನು ಬಾಸ್ಗೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಲೀವ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಸೊ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಕೆಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಅವರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಥೈಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಕ್ರೇಜಿ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟಿ ವಿಂಟೇಜ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತದೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಇದು ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು, ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ಅಚೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್, 2023 ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತುಂಬಾ ಆಸೆ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
All the
Yes,
best,
sir.
all the best,
Thank you,
Bharateshji,
sir.
right? It's crazy that you wanted to talk to Kushal Sharma, sir.
Yes, sir.
10th October 2021. I wish all the best for you, right?
Thank you,
Work
sir.
hard for it, right?
Yes, sir.
Definitely, yes. So thank you so much for everyone who has been sharing their experience till now, right? Moving on, without wasting any sort of time, let us see about the journey, small journey of my dreams, what I want to share, right? ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನ್ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ಬಂದು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, right? So I have started this particular industry in at the age of 18. Okay, I was 18 years of age. I've started this particular industry. So 18 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. 18 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಅದ್ದು ಏನು ಅಂತ. 18 years ಅಲ್ಲಿ I was in first year engineering. Okay, so ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಉಂಟು, I used to see about it instead of depending on my parents. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, when I was 16 years, I don't know how many are feeling it. Okay, when I was 16 years, I used to feel bad to take 10 rupees with my dad. 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಸ್ ಖರ್ಚಿಗೆ I used to feel bad. Okay, what I'm doing, 16 years I'm already. Okay, I don't know from where that came, but when I was in 9th 10th standard, this feeling was there with me. But I have got this opportunity at the age of 18. I guess many people here, they are loving, they are enjoying with the money of their parents. That this feeling, when it is going to come to you, no one is going to stop you to achieve your goals. Trust me. This feeling, when it is going to come to you, right? No one is going to stop you, right? So this is one small feeling what I have got it, right? And 18 years, this is the opportunity when I have got it. I used to pay tax to the government of India. I used to build my skills also in college life, which was for which I have joined this particular platform. Moving on, at the age of 19, I declared as the youngest Lakpati in my whole family. Not a great thing, right? Many people are able to break this record, I guess, till now. Okay, so from my organization, if people are able to beat this record, that is a great for me. And guess what? People have beat it also, right? People like Kishanji, right, and many other people are there, right, who have beat this record also. Moving on, at the age of 20, I hope you are able to see the full screen. Yes, super. At the age of 20, I have written in my diary. Okay, the dream which I have written in my diary, I had completed it. That is gifting a KTM. KTM bikes were something very great at that point of time. Okay, 2015, 16 and all. In 2016, I have purchased my first bike, my first love, what I can tell you, right? So this KTM Duke 200 worth rupees 1.7 lakh. Guess what, sir? This gifting yourself, this is a dream of every boy, I guess, right? Riding a bike in college life with their own earned money. How many are there, right? Riding a bike in college life is dream of many people. Riding a bike in college life with their own earned money is very few people's dream. You have to work hard for it, right? You have to find an opportunity, and guess what? You guys are having that opportunity in your hand, right? If I have done in 2016, when direct selling was not that great, when social media was not that great, when support system was not that great, but still I have done. And guess what? The level of support system what you're getting right now, you are able to achieve this. You are able to do it. Might be in around 18 years. You are already right. This particular dream when I have achieved in 18 years when I have started this business. Okay, one of my friend in my class, engineering class, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ okay. So I gave a presentation to one of a Mangalorean. Okay, I was new to Mangalore that time. One of a Mangalorean who is also a class mentor and class at the first year alide, first sem alide, class at the mentor at the. Okay, so I gave a presentation, and guess what? He didn't understand. It was my first presentation. He didn't understand, and he told about this thing with my whole class. It was my first presentation. He had told to my whole class. ಇಡೀ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಂಗೂರ ಅಂತ ಆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ, ರೈಟ್? ವರುಣ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ, ಮಂಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ಜನಗಳನ್ನ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡಿ ಅವನ ಹತ್ರ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಓಕೆ, at the age of 18 I thought, fine man, one person I have given, what is there in it? People were mocking at me, people were laughing at me, some people have asked it also, what you're doing. Okay, ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. Okay, I don't think so it is going to happen to you. Third year engineering, when I have taken this bike on 6th October 2016, when I have rode a bike to my college next day. Okay, on Banda, nandu by college adu bike stand untu, right? There is a place. After the class, he came there. I was also there, right? Some of my classmates do it. This is the statement. I feel really great that point of time, right? So the art of achieving a dream in college life is something great, right? Something good feeling, right? I have not stopped it after completing one of the dream. I have moved on. I have kept on moving. I've taken some other dreams also at the age of 21 in Diwali. Okay, 2017. I gifted a small gift to my dad, that is Redmi 4 worth rupees 10,000. At the age of 22, in my final year of my degree, Sumarjana, that many people see about ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ. Yes or no, right? Many people see that ಒಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ, 20,000 salary ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರು. Okay, in final year degree, I was not only completing my dreams, I was also helping myself to complete my parents' dream also, which they have taken one point of time in their life. I want to show you a small video which I have done with a great difficulty. Yes, one of the small video which I want to show you guys. Listen carefully. If you are having earphones, put it up, right, so that voice will be cleared. Yes, ready? Yes, ready. Yes, without wasting any time, I'm going to play it. This was the surprise gift. It doesn't know what is happening.
तन्हाई में दिल मेरा तेरे बिन बरसती है आंखें मेरी, शाम सुबह रातों दिन ये बारिश होती है तो मुझको तेरी याद आए, ये बूंदों में मुझको तेरी तस्वीर नजर आए, ये बारिश ओ मेरी ख्वाहिश ओ।
So that is what my dream, one of my dream was. How was it? I don't know how many people have liked it. If you have liked it, please put your good comments in your chat box, right? That will be great for me. Yes. So I know there was some disturbance that I'm going to upload in my, might be in my Instagram, show some love there in that particular platform. Definitely it will be circulated there, right? What I'm trying to tell you is on 25th of June, okay, 2018, when I was in final year of my degree, this was the dream which this was the surprise gift what I have given to my parents, and their reaction is priceless, sir. I cannot replace that with money. That reaction what is there, that is priceless. That is what I'm telling you. If you are asking me what kind of lifestyle this particular industry is giving me, what this industry is giving you, this is what, sir. Smile in your parents eyes and feeling proud that our son have done something good for us, right, in college life itself, right? Yes, moving on. uh yes, I hope you are able to. Yes. So this was the team. This was the 25 plus people. Nearly 30 people had come to my house to give a surprise gift to my mom and dad, right? Along with me. Okay, they were a part of that celebration. So moving on, I have not stopped it out. At the age of 23, done with my first international trip to Thailand. One of the dream. I like traveling places like anything. In college life, I wanted to do it. Okay, but in college life, I could just travel 8 states of my country. In by fourth year of engineering, I could just travel 8 states of my country. When I was passed out of my college, my first international trip to Thailand through Vestige Travel Fund itself, through those people who have helped me to achieve grow in this particular platform. Moving on, at the age of 24, I have not stopped it out. I have told you, I have once when the dreams has been completed, I moved on. I've gifted myself that is last year itself, OnePlus 70 and OnePlus Buds worth rupees 35,000 and 5,000 respectively, right? So what I'm trying to tell you is from this past every year, okay, this journey has become a very great for me. Why I'm showing you, I'm not just showing off with you. I'm telling that how my dreams has been completed, and it has been a memory for me every single year from the age of 18 till the age of 20. It has been a memory what I have created in this particular platform. 10 years down the line, 20 years down the line, if someone asked me, what are you doing, what this industry, why are you doing, right, what did you do in your youth age, I can tell this, sir. See, at the age of 18 I have done this, at the age of 19 I have done this, at the age of 20 I have done this. What you have done, this industry had made me create memories in my life. Not a small thing, sir. Memories is what we live for, right? Moving on, some of more my dreams. This is what till now what I have achieved. I've showed you till now what I have achieved. I'm going to show you right now what is my dream in coming time. Yes, I hope you are able to see my screen. Some of the crazy dream what I'm having right now. Okay, you are able to see. I hope you are able to see it. A bike. Yes, just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yes, I hope you are able to see the screen right now. Yes, a bike ride to Himalayas, sir. Okay, a crazy dream what I am seeing right now. A bike ride to Himalayas. Okay. One more dream what I have taken to myself is that bike ride with a few people. Okay, might be the all these tea vintages itself, right? From Udupi to Kashmir, right? One of the greatest journey from south to the north, right? One of the beautiful journey through bike itself. It's a bike. It's going to be a bike ride. Trust me, these are the things what I'm having. Moving on, I have a dream of going to Burj Khalifa. You know Burj Khalifa, you are able to see in the screen, right? Burj Khalifa, and not just going there, I want to drink a tea there. Tea, sir. Tea. For drinking a tea you have to go there, sir. Drinking a tea there is something different, right? If you are going to sitting down in the down floor, if you are going to sit there and drink a tea, it is 100 dirhams. If you're going to see at the top, this is how the top view will be. You know what is the tea cost there? Tea cost is yes, just give me a second. If I'm not able to guys, are you able to see? Not able to see the screen? Just give me a second. Just give me a second. Yes, Akashi, any problem is there? Yes.
Yeah, it was not shown in full screen, sir.
Full screen. Yeah, definitely. Yes, I hope you are able to see the screen right now.
Yes.
Now?
Yes.
Yes, superb. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yes. So this is how so tea cost. I was talking about the tea. The tea cost in Burj Khalifa is $5,000, right? So when I'll be in that level, I want to have a tea in Burj Khalifa, right? In that 150th floor. This is how the view it will be, right? So moving on, what else dream I'm having? I'll be showing you. Just give me a second. Give me a second. Some of the dream what I want to show you up is just give me a second. Yes. Put your seat belts on, right? This video what I want to show you. One of the video. Just give me a second. Just give me a second. One of the video what I want to share you right now is the bungee jumping in Queenstown, New Zealand. Okay, why Queenstown, New Zealand? Why Queenstown, New Zealand? There is a specific place that is the best place to do it, right? So that is how the bungee jumping was. How many have liked it? That is the dream what I want to do in that particular place itself, New Zealand, right? New Zealand. One more dream what I'm having is I'll be showing you. Yes. One more dream what I am seeing in this particular platform. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. It is none other than in Dubai. Okay. It's none other than in Dubai. Just give me a second. Yes. So this is a dream which one of our upline have already completed it. Okay. So I'll be showing you once again. Okay. Whoever have not watched it, do watch it. Yes, I hope you are able to see the screen. This is Kushal Sharma, sir.
Welcome to Skydive Dubai.
Okay.
What are we doing here today?
I'm here at skydiving. This is my day 3 in Dubai, and this is the skydive. And my name is Kushal, studying in Dance Sagar. Guys, amazing feeling here. This is my life's first time skydive. Myself depend here. I've just now got my instructions from the instructor. I believe we need to start right now. Getting those amazing feeling. I'm going to go 15,000 feet above sea level. I'm going to take a jump. This is matter. There's no point sitting in house and watching this video. I'm telling you, something skydive. It's amazing. I'm telling you. No words for it. No words.
And well said. So you met an instructor, you got a harness on, you got a blueprint on the skydive. Do you understand all the instructions? Yeah.
Something beautiful, turn me in the shadow. I'll be here.
was the Kushal Sharma sir full video. You are able to watch it in YouTube itself, right? How was it? That is one of the dream which I want to complete. And people who are having the heart issues, not for you, sir. Both the dream. Okay, what I have told you, who are having the heart issues, heart problem, heart dysfunction, this is not for you, right? And that is why this is the right age to do it, not after 40. Not after 40. This is a time, this is a youth time which you have to complete these kinds of dreams, right? Adventurous sports, what we call. Many sort of things are there. You are able to, sir, YouTube daily ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ lot many crazy stuffs are there, bucket list what we call, right? Bucket list lost low, so many things are there, right? I was seeing people here, ನಾನು ಇದು videos ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೆ, okay, sky diving of Kushal sir, okay, I showed her, okay, she watched it, okay, she told me ಈ ಮಲ್ಪೆರೆ ಪೋಡ್ಸಿನ ಅಂತ ಈ ಮಲ್ಪೆರೆ ಪೋಡ್ಸಿನ ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ ಇನ್ನ ಅಂತ okay, crazy what. So their generation, they are having that kind of fear, right? So that is what I wanted to show you guys, right? There are a lot of other stuffs which I wanted to show you. One more thing, one last thing, okay, this is the best thing. Yes, just give me a second. The Norway, okay, one of the best places to visit is Norway, okay. This Norway is something very, very crazy stuff, okay, because this ice, what I'll be showing you, just second, just give me a second. Yes, I hope you are able to see. This particular stuff is going to be there only for next 20 years, not more than that, right? So if you are planning here, yes, you can see. Yes, I hope you are able to check.
Holland Shark.
Just give me a second.
If you're new to the channel, make sure to places
I'll just
Breen Glacier.
things.
Glacier in
It's called a
continental
glacier.
Europe, called the Jostedalsbreen Glacier. To get to the glacier, a small boat will transport you to the base. You'll cross the palest, most turquoise blue glacier water you have ever seen in your whole life. From the forest to the base of the glacier, you have
It's a glacier
a
section.
experience I've had.
I'll
And,
be just
see
moving
you-
that forward. We are having lot of time. Then we'll only got tricky over here. This particular thing, we see it in our might be some pictures or Googles, we get forwarded, and this is see the road trip. Imagine the road trip what you're going to do in here. Top of
The drone is the only way to really see this country, which brings us to our next. Like, should I be doing this? 7% incline. The view
I'll just
highly
move
recommended.
forward. I'll just move forward. Yes.
Located in the Nordland, this is the strongest tidal current in the entire world. These whirlpools were so large that they could swallow boats. If we were to get close enough to the whirlpool, you could actually feel it dragging the boat into it. Up to 400 million tons of seawater forced their way through a 3-kilometer long and only 150-meter wide strait every 6 hours with the tides. Water speeds reach 37
There are a lot of things
That
to see
powerful
in,
because they do get that
currents are.
beautiful
There are a
land
lot of things to
things
see
and
in
place-
Norway.
north of the
I'll just show you.
12:30 in the morning. It's June the 11th, so it's almost
Just check out what
It's
he
the
did.
strangest, just most bizarre thing. It's very hard to sleep in Norway. It is right now 12:30 in the morning. It's June the 11th, so it's almost the first day of summer, which
In Norway is in the top of the world, peak point. Okay, there is something called as midnight sun. There is no night at all. Always there will be a sun in Norway, right? So that is like something, a beautiful view to see. Exploring world is very beautiful stuff, man. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is, world is so big. Okay, so should be your dreams also. Your dreams, how big the dreams are. There are a lot of things to see in the world, right? The only thing is work hard for it, right? At the end, I just want to show you. Yes, I hope you are able to see my screen. Yep. So that was my dreams, what I wanted to show you people, right? So if your dreams don't scare you, they are very, very small, right? Richard Branson, one of the entrepreneur who is having a company called as Virgin company. Okay, so he is telling that if your dreams are not scaring you, then it is too small, right? APJ Abdul Kalam sir is telling dream is not that what you see in sleep. Dream is something that that it does not let you sleep. What a beautiful statement APJ Abdul Kalam sir is telling, right? If your dream is not letting you sleep, then it is something very, very good one, right? So at the end, I just want to tell you thank you for being a part of this particular event. I hope you have liked it. You can show some love in the chat box out there, right? If you have loved it, I know many people have started dreaming from today onwards, right? There is a very good sort of system BDT team have already provided to you, that is called as the app, right? I hope you are making it utilized. Okay, I hope you are using it beautifully. Only thing I request from today onwards, update your dream list so that your mentor, the person who is working with you, that person can understand with what purpose I have to work with this person, what I should connect. Your mentor will understand. So if you're not going to discuss your dreams, if you're not going to write it down, right? So your mentor, how they are able to find it out, how you are able to connect to it, right? So from today onwards, this is a one small duty, you do it, right? And yes, writing all these things, seeing a dream is very good, right? Working for it is very, very important, right? You know what to do, right? Your mentors, you have to pick a mentor, right? You have to pick a mentor, you have to pick a leader with whom you are going to complete this particular dream, with whom you are going to start complete this particular dream, right? And for that, doing a regular activities, finishing off your purchase, finishing off your consistency matters a lot, sir, right? So consistency, as you know, every month our business can become boom from 2 to 12th. 2 to 12th is called as the consistency time, right? So make sure that you utilize this particular time of consistency, right? Which can take your business to the next level, sir, right? Only 2 more days left, that is 11th and 12th. 2 more days left. Promote it in the best way. Some of the things which you want to do it can finish through consistency, right? Consistency is the game we tell, right? If you are not doing consistency, then what else you are doing it, right? So make sure that you utilize this particular offer very beautifully. Pick a mentor, call them today, ask that, sir, I have this particular dream, I have taken so and so target, you tell me the plan, sir, I'm ready to execute it. If you're having this particular, it shouldn't be for one day motivation or 1 week motivation, it should be there, that so that you work for it. It should be in a proper written goal, you divide it to a properly planned, right? That is all from my side. Thank you so much. Thank you, T Vintage family, for giving the opportunity to me. Stay safe and stay healthy. This is Varun K. Bainangera signing off. Thank you so much.